People on the home front were proud that the work they were doing was making a difference. The famous Spitfire fighter plane, designed and built in the town, became a powerful symbol of this achievement. British fighters outperformed the German Air Force. The factories where Spitfires were made became key targets. In September 1940, bombers attacked the plants at Woolston and Itchen. The deaths of more than 50 workers would be devastating.
The first raid was on a Tuesday. They hadn't seen the sirens, and many people didn't get out of the factory. If they had have sounded the sirens, I would have gone into my normal shelter, and unfortunately for the people that did make it in the shelter were killed because they dropped the bombs on the shelters, missing the factory.
It was after the Tuesday when we had the one, and this one came on the Thursday. Well, when the alarm went, that was it, you know, we rushed out. I grabbed the bike, my push bike, and no one would use the shelters.
There was very little warning indeed. And we left the Itchen Works and ran up onto Pear Tree Green, and then the bombs really did come down there. The bomb doors opened, the little black things tumbled out, and the whistling noises, and the ground shook. Cartridge cases were hitting the road, we were being machine gunned as well. I hadn't any conscious feeling of being afraid. It was annoyance, it was irritation, it was and being unable to do anything about it.
Going down to the Itchen Works, looking up, there was no roof there hardly, just girders, and one of the propeller had gone up, and the tip was caught in the girders. It looked like a cross.